Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I am back with a fun giveaway game, and this is a really fun game. You can all take part, and what it is a traditional game of hangman. Yes, it is. Now, let me explain how you play. So these are the words. It's a 2-word hangman. So obviously I can't get you to, I haven't got anyone to sort of guess the letters, etc. just yet. So what I'm going to do, I've put all of the letters of the alphabet in here, and I have a prize to start you all off. It's this lovely little pack of gorgeous trim. It's got a lovely gold trim and rickrack, and this lovely blue. Let me show you this here. Look, it's got some of this in here with this beautiful sequins on. It's just stunning. So we're going to start off with this as the first giveaway. And what I'm going to do, because this is just the start of the game, I have all the letters of the alphabet here, and I'm going to put my hand in and pick out one. Now, if it's not on here, I will add something else to this. And what you get to do is you get one guess a day to try and guess what this is, and hopefully we will get one letter out of here. So what I'll do is keep going until there's a letter that goes on here. I'll put it in here, and then you get a guess, and then if nobody gets it by tomorrow, I'll pull out another letter, and we'll keep on going. The letters that I pull out that are not on here, we add more things, and every day, if you don't guess it, I will add more things to it. If you do guess, then you win the prize. So I hope that makes sense. It's just traditional hangman, so we need to get started. So I've put all the letters of the alphabet in here. I'm going to give this a really good mix up, just like that. You have to be a subscriber to take part, and all you have to do is leave your guess below. Right, so let's pull out a letter and let's have a look. Oh, it's a U, and there isn't a U, so that means I have to add something to this thing already. Right, oh my gosh, what a good start for you all. So let me just go and grab something to add to this prize. Right, okay, so I have added some of this lovely gold leaf trim and some of this lovely green leaf trim to the giveaway, because the letter U was not in it. So remember the letters that have gone, so U is not in it. Okay, let me I just need to write it down, because otherwise, not that I forget, but you know when you just think, oh my goodness me, is that letter in it? Right, okay, so the first letter was the letter U, and it was not in there. So remember the letters that have gone. Let's go again. Oh my goodness me. Let's pull out this one here. Oh my gosh, it's a Z. Well, of course a Z's not in there, is it? So I have to add something else. Right, I have some lace, cotton lace trim here. It's absolutely gorgeous, quite vintagey looking. So I'll add that to it. Oh my goodness me. Come on, we need a letter here for that one. Right. Oh, we do have an O. So let's move these letters out of the way. Oops, it's going to fall over, and show you where this goes. So there's an O right there. So that is today's letter. And there's 2 words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters in the first word, and 4 letters in the second word. And so far we have all these goodies. You get one guess. The first person to guess it right will actually win the prizes. If nobody guesses it tonight, then tomorrow I will keep going with the letters and things to add to it, and I will add more things. So all you have to do is be a subscriber. Please leave your guess below, and let's see if we can get a winner for this spot prize giveaway. Right, I'm going to love you, leave you, and we shall see you all, because Charlie's here, of course. We shall see you all tomorrow. Take care for now. Bye-bye.